Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? It was asked the Alphard student to find all the solutions that satisfy this. 81 divided by t squared equals t squared divided by 81. Let's find the solution. So in the first step, if I write 81 as 9 raised to power 2, that is 81 divided by t squared equals t squared divided by 9 raised to power of 2. Then by cross multiplying, so we multiply t squared by t squared and 9 squared by 9 squared. So this gives us t squared multiplied by t squared equals 9 squared multiplied by 9 squared. Then in the next step, this is the root of indices. So the same base and the same power. This gives us t raised to power of 4 equals 9 raised to power of 4. And by transferring 9 to this side, we have t power 4 minus 9 power 4 equals 0. So this is quadratic equations. We are expected to get 4 answers to this problem. If I express this as t power of 2 all raised to power 2 minus 9 power 2 all raised to power 2 equals 0. This is in the form of difference of 2 squared. If I have a squared minus b squared, this equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then applying this to what we have here, we are going to have t squared minus plus 9 squared in bracket, then multiply by t squared minus 9 squared equals 0. And by equating t squared plus 9 squared equals to 0, then we also equate t squared minus 9 squared equals 0 following the rules of quadratic. So the first case, we have t squared plus 9 squared equals 0. And we can still have t squared minus 9 squared equals 0. So with this, by transferring 9 squared to the other side, we are going to have minus 9 squared. And then, by taking the square root of both sides, we have square root of t squared equals, we have this as, taking the square root, we are going to introduce plus or minus here, then square root of minus 9 squared. So this square and square root cancelled, and we have t equals plus or minus. So this can be expressed as 9 squared multiplied by minus 1. And by separating this, we have t equals plus or minus the square root of 9 squared multiplied by square root of minus 1 by rule of such. Then t equals plus or minus, this cancelled, and we have 9. So square root of minus 1 is given as I, that is iota, is a complex root. So we have 9i. There are two values here. We have t1 equals 9i, and we have t2 equals minus 9i. Again, when we consider the second case, case 2, where we have t squared minus 9 squared equals 0. This is difference of 2 squared, just as we applied above. So by applying the rule, we are going to have t plus 9, then multiply by t minus 9 equals 0. Then we let t plus 9 equals to 0, or we let t minus 9 equals 0. So t here equals minus 9. This is another solution. And we have t equals plus 9. This is another solution. There are 4 solutions to this problem that we got. So the first one is if t1 equals 9i, we are going to have t2 equals minus 9i. We have t3 equals minus 9, and we have t4 equals plus 9. Here are all the 4 solutions that satisfy this problem, and let's try and be verifying for all these one by one. If t1 equals 9i, let's substitute here and check if the left hand side equals the right hand side. We have 81 over 9i squared equals 9i squared divided by 81. And by rule of exponent, we have this as 81 divided by 9 we take squared, and I will also take squared, equals, also we have 9 squared I squared divided by 81. But anytime we have I squared, that gives us minus 1. So here we have 81 divided by 81 cancelled, 81 divided by 81 cancelled. So here we have 1 divided by I squared equals I squared divided by 1. And if we have 1 over I squared, as we know that I squared is minus 1, we have this as minus 1 equals minus 1. So the two sides are correct. That is, the first t is the solution to this problem. Let's check for the second solution. If t equals minus 9i, applying the same format, we have 81 over minus 9i squared equals minus 9i squared divided by 81. So one beautiful thing we have to note here is the first one will be 81 over minus, here we take squared, that is minus 1 squared. Then we have 9 also take squared, and I also take squared. So this is how we are going to do this. So there are 3 things inside this bracket. Applying this to this as well, we have minus 1 squared multiplied by 9 squared multiplied by I squared divided by 81. So with this, we are going to have 81 divided by minus 1 squared, that is 1, 9 squared is 81, I squared here, that is minus 1. So the same thing here, that is 81 multiplied by minus 1 squared divided by 81. So this cancelled, and we have minus 1 equals minus 1, just as we got above. So let's test for the other values. If t here equals 9, that is t3, we are going to have 81 divided by 9 squared equals 9 squared divided by 81. And here is 81 over 9 squared, that is 81, equals 9 squared is 81 over 81. And all these cancelled each other. We have 1 equals 1. So that satisfies the equation. And if you check for when t4 equals minus 9, so we have 81 over t squared, that is minus 9 squared, equals minus 9 squared divided by 81. And looking at this, this is 81 over minus 9 squared will be minus 1 squared, that is 1. Then 9 squared is 81, equals minus 1 squared, that is 1. Then 9 squared is 81 divided by 81. So 81 over 81, that gives us 1, equals 81 over 81 also equals 1. 1 equals 1 also satisfies this. So this is how I solve this problem step by step and in an easy way. If you have any other method of solving this, you can just drop it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Any comment? Bye bye.